What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the fade text animation like this. And the tool that we will use here is the CapCut. How to create that one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do, you can prepare this CapCut first, and don't worry because this app also accessible within your PC, smartphone, or even the tab. And after that, you can go to this new project, and I will go to the library to choose the black background like this, for example, and click add, and it will direct you into this project section. And after that, I will remove or delete this ending, and I will slightly and or add the duration. And after that, I will start to type the text over here. For example, manual. And for the font, for example, I will choose power, and I will also enlarge it. And after that, I will copy or duplicate this text like this, and keep the second or the duplicated text still being selected. And for this section or this layer, I will start to change the effect. For example, this one, and apply to it. And for this first layer of the text, you can start to choose the animation. And for example, the animation will be wiping in, and you can choose like this, and also adjust the intensity or speed to become 2.5 seconds. And you can apply to it. And I will go back to this second layer of this text, and I will go to this animation again. And for this second layer, I will choose the animation, name the random rise. So you can scroll up and choose this one. And keep it the intensity or speed in the 1.5 seconds. And apply to it. And let's watch the result. So that's all guys, you can try this tutorial, and I hope this video helpful for you. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.